Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach roulette with strategies that can improve your chances. Roulette is a game of chance, but understanding the mechanics can be beneficial. We'll discuss how to make informed decisions about your bets. Remember, the goal is to maximize your enjoyment and manage your funds wisely. Let's explore some practical methods to enhance your roulette experience and potentially achieve more favorable outcomes. Let's dive into the different types of bets you can place. Outside bets like red or black offer nearly a 50% chance of winning, though the payout is 1-to-1. Inside bets, such as a single number, have much lower odds but pay out 35-to-1. It's crucial to know that European roulette with its single zero offers slightly better odds than American roulette, which includes both a single and a double zero. Effective bankroll management is key to a sustainable roulette experience. Before you even place your first chip, decide on a budget you are comfortable losing. Divide this into smaller amounts for each playing session. While systems like the martingale can seem appealing, remember they don't change the house edge. The most important thing is to set limits and walk away when you've reached them, whether you're up or down. To wrap things up, here are some practical tips for your roulette play. Always choose European roulette over American if available, as it offers a lower house edge. Begin with smaller bets on outside chances to ease into the game. It's vital to remain disciplined and not let emotions dictate your betting. Remember, the goal is entertainment, so know your limits and enjoy the thrill responsibly. Good luck at the table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.